Hello everyone, welcome to my trading journal. This is a practice session of mine on July 18th, 3:45 p.m. So it's a Friday and we're approaching to market close. Okay, it seems the whole day has been a downward trend all the way up to 12, and then the whole afternoon has been a upward trend. From the 5 minutes chart, I can tell the resistance level is on 6335 and the support level is around 6329, and we were just leaving the support level. Okay, picking up and the price is getting close to the middle of the range. Okay, the upswing. Okay, let's see, it's approaching to the 633 resistance now. Okay, it's pushing back slightly lower than what I thought it would go up to. Okay, probably the upward trend hasn't finished because there's still some distance until the resistance level. Yep, it's going up. I haven't taken any side yet just because I just got in and it's ticking up. I kind of have an idea of the direction it's gonna go to, but I don't feel that I have already read enough of the information from the market. So that's why I didn't get in. Since the whole afternoon has been uptrending, I will be extremely cautious when I'm shorting the price. So the ideal place would be around the bottom of the range, assuming the price actually ticked down. I don't know how long it's gonna take because it's already approaching to market close and now it's already 52. So I don't know whether it's gonna actually go back to the bottom of the range. There's a chance that it cannot. Even it can, by that time the volume is probably gonna fade away. So let's see. Today might not be a trading day. I might not place any trades today just because there's no decent opportunity for me to take on within this 15 minutes trading session. And I'm fine with that. Okay, as you see, price went up 3 times now and it's been rejected 2 times. So let's see whether this time this attempt will be rejected or not. If this attempt is getting rejected again, I would assume the buy side momentum is not as strong. However, this might be a breakthrough, who knows. I do see huge limit order here from the short side acting as a big resistance. Buy side is hitting the market. Okay, here we are at the resistance. Let's see. Wow, being pushed down instantly, huh? Okay, buy side pushing up. Would there be a breakout? As we can see, the price has been staying so long at the upper side of the range, and that's why I was so hesitant at shorting the price. The buy side does have the momentum, at least during this afternoon, and seems it still has it. Breakout. I'm usually very cautious when trading breakout, and typically I would like to wait until a decent pullback and I see the short side cannot push it down further, then that's my entry point. Let's see whether it's gonna happen here. The tricky part is, since we're getting close to the end of today, you will see the volume suddenly kicks in and there could be short swings. 2 points short swings are not unusual, so has to be extremely cautious when trading here. Okay, here we are at 3:56, 4 minutes to market close. And as you can see, we're approaching to overnight low. Key level like this, most of the time can serve as a resistance or support. So you will see price react to this key level. Okay, it's going down. So what happened is that we broke the resistance level and immediately got rejected within the range. The ideal situation when trading a breakout is that you would like to see the price to stay above the support or resistance here. So in this case, the momentum is not strong as I thought. So it might actually end up going to the lower side of the range. And thus, that's a false breakout. Again, we might not have any chance to take any trade today. Okay, the volume is kicking in. Okay, will this form a true breakout or would it just go back? 2,000 contracts. The big players are closing their books. Here we are at 4 p.m. You can see the volume decreases drastically. I guess no trade for me today. What happened is that there was really only one obvious opportunity, which is when I open the platform and when I start trading, there was a very obvious opportunity here. However, I was talking and the data was refreshing, and I just got started, and I kind of want to get more information, right? Just to confirm what I'm reading is correct from the market, from the charts, from the data here. So that's why I didn't take the trade. But if I took the trade here, it would end up be a winner. And that was the most obvious chance for this 15 minutes trading session. The volume is dying down now, and I don't see any huge opportunity here. It's very obvious that the price got into resistance right here and slowing down. It tried to break out the resistance level, but it didn't work. I don't know whether it's gonna work later, but currently it's still struggling, the buy side. All right, I'm not gonna trade today. Just because there's not enough volume, and therefore it means there's not enough volatility, and therefore means it's not suitable for day trading or scalping, right? So that's it for me today. I think like no trades is not bad, right? You're not losing anything. And given this is a very short trading session, no trades means no opportunity being spotted, and kind of makes sense. It's even a positive sign that during this 15 minutes, I was staying very conservative and rational. If you actually manage to sit tight through the whole trading session without taking any trades, that takes a lot of discipline. Like, you just don't feel any opportunity that is worth the risk. There are gonna be opportunities, depends on your style. But once you are very convinced about your own trading strategy, then you will just stop trading. When you don't see that opportunity, you just won't trade. So I think that's a very positive sign for me, implying that I'm now slowly forming this habit of observing, of thinking rationally, instead of just trading out of boredom. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. And if you're interested at the platform that I'm using here, you're interested at the tools that I'm using here, which obviously has the ability to break down the most detailed order flow data, which is extremely helpful when it comes to me making decisions, as you can probably tell from my rationale behind each trades that I made. It's extremely helpful, and if you want to have access to tools like this, you can visit Jigsaw Trading, their official website, and feel free to use the coupon code Real Day Trading Journey to get $30 off your purchase. I will see you in my next journal.